My name is Robert Christopher Obeso, but everybody here calls me Cookie. I want to introduce you to my new little toy. Now, what I've attached here, because I like to be obnoxious, so to speak, I actually attached a bicycle belt. So when I do get behind somebody, point my weapon at them. Simple as that. I mean, surrendering should be fun. I mean, you've got the drop on somebody. So I mean, just a standard surrender is one thing, but why not kick it up a notch? Get a little laugh out of it. So I'm going to head out to the field, try to get a couple little surrenders, and see how that works out. Yo! Shot too close, buddy. But overall, you know, airsoft is fun. I love it. It's a great form of exercise, and I don't get too much of it. I got behind you earlier, and I'll just ring. Bell 3 times.
The bell is pretty sick. The bell is pretty sick when we were out there, and so I knew what I was hearing. And then I was hearing the bell. And I was going, oh geez.
What's the next bell, guys? I still hate the bell.